everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Stephanie, and if you're new here, make sure you please subscribe. So today's video, we're going to color my hair once again because I can't seem to leave it alone for whatever reason. We're using a different hair coloring brand. I normally use Revlon. I'll have a picture for you guys right here, but we're gonna try Cream of Color because my hair recently has not been working with Revlon, so I thought I would switch it up and try Cream of Color. So I'll give you guys an updated hair coloring routine because okay everyone, to start off, my hair is really light brown. We're gonna go for blonde. Let's see if this works. Now this video won't be a full video because I do have hair coloring videos on my channel already. I just want to give you guys a review on Cream of Color and see if you guys like it or if I like it better. And so this video should be like 2-3 minutes long, nothing too crazy. Okay you guys, this is the finished product. Now my hair is really light. I'm going to catch it in the sunlight or like just with outside light for you guys, so you guys could see how it looks in the daytime. But my hair is super light. I kept the color in for about 10 minutes, then I had to rinse it because I was like, oh my god, my hair is turning yellow. Granted, when I first took out the color, it was a little orangish, but I did add purple shampoo. I used purple shampoo, which helped with toning the hair overall. But with Cream of Color, it got it done quick. Normally with Revlon, it takes, I could leave that color in my hair for like an hour, and once it reaches a certain brown, it won't get lighter. This kept on getting lighter. Okay guys, so overall I will say that Creme of Nature works better than Revlon. I used the lightest brown color, and I'll have the link of it listed down below. I think you could get it on Amazon, but like at your local beauty supply store is probably cheaper. So I used the lightest blonde. I'll have a picture of it on the screen or something just so you guys could reference to it. But this stuff works, and it worked fast, and my hair doesn't feel too damaged. So we'll see how it goes. If that is it for today's video, you guys, I hope to see y'all soon. I hope you come back and check out my channel. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the like button. All right. right, bye guys.
Yeah.